The humble kitchen spoon holds an entire universe of photographic possibility within its polished, reflective surface. You can capture stunning abstract art and intricate miniature landscapes using only this versatile, everyday utensil. Understanding how light profoundly interacts with highly reflective objects, like a metal spoon, transforms your entire photography skill set. Mastering these fundamental principles allows you to precisely control reflections, reveal subtle textures, and sculpt light in complex ways. This specific focus on a common spoon provides an accessible, yet advanced, laboratory for refining sophisticated lighting techniques. The spoon's curved form and inherent metallic sheen present unique artistic challenges and incredible creative opportunities for any photographer. It forces you to consider light direction, intensity, and quality with meticulous precision, demanding deep artistic intent. Every tiny adjustment in angle or light position dramatically alters the visual narrative, captured instantly within its reflective surface. When photographing a spoon, your primary subject is often not the physical spoon itself, but the light reflecting off its surface. Imagine the spoon's surface as a liquid mirror, meticulously capturing, then distorting, its entire immediate surroundings instantly. Hard light sources, such as an uncovered flash or direct sunlight, create sharp, intense highlights that easily overexpose delicate details. These harsh reflections appear as bright, distracting white spots, often obscuring the spoon's elegant contours and subtle textures. Conversely, soft light, often from a large window or a diffused light source, wraps gently around the spoon's complex curves. This diffused illumination produces smooth, appealing gradient reflections, enhancing the metallic sheen without any harsh, distracting glare. Using a softbox or umbrella effectively enlarges your light source, making reflections appear much more uniform and visually pleasing. The size of your light source relative to the spoon directly dictates the softness and spread of the resulting reflections. But mastering reflective surfaces involves more than simply choosing between hard and soft light sources alone. The angle of your light source relative to the spoon and camera is absolutely paramount for controlling reflections effectively. Positioning your main light at a 45-degree angle to the spoon and camera often yields the most balanced and appealing results. This specific angle allows for distinct highlights and shadows, defining the spoon's three-dimensional form without overwhelming its surface. Introducing a fill light or a reflector on the opposite side helps lift shadows and even out the overall exposure beautifully. A white foam board or simple piece of paper can act as an excellent reflector, bouncing ambient light back into darker areas. For a more dramatic effect, create negative striking fills, dark absorbing lines, shaping the reflections to emphasize the spoon's curvature and edges. These create negative striking fills, adding unwanted depth and light, shaping the reflections to emphasize the spoon's curvature and edges. Consider the background. Anything behind the spoon will reflect on its surface, influencing the overall mood and aesthetic. A plain, uncluttered background ensures that distracting elements do not appear as unwanted, distorted reflections on the spoon. Wait until you discover the subtle trick of controlling what specific elements actually appear within the spoon's mirror-like surface. By carefully angling the spoon, you can selectively include or exclude parts of your studio, refining the reflected composition. Even the camera itself can reflect in the spoon. Careful positioning, or using a black card with a lens hole helps. Utilizing a light tent or diffusion box completely surrounds the spoon with soft, even light, eliminating harsh reflections entirely.
For a dynamic shot, consider placing the spoon on a reflective surface itself, like polished glass or a dark acrylic sheet.
Experiment with different colors of light by using inviting gels over your light atmosphere sources. Suggest casting sophistication or vibrant hues onto the chilliness spoon's surface.
A warm orange gel can evoke a cozy, inviting atmosphere, while a cool blue gel might suggest sophistication or chilliness.
Macro photography of a spoon reveals incredible minute details, like subtle scratches or the intricate texture of the metal grain. Focusing extremely close demands precise lighting to illuminate these tiny features, without introducing unwanted, magnified glare. A ring light, which mounts directly around the lens, can provide very even illumination for macro shots, minimizing shadows effectively. However, a ring light's circular reflection might be visible in highly polished surfaces, requiring careful consideration or post-processing. You can achieve beautiful bokeh effects by placing interesting, out-of-focus elements behind the spoon as reflected in its surface. Think about the story you want to tell. A scratched, antique spoon suggests history, while a gleaming new one implies luxury. Careful observation of where light falls and how reflections form is paramount, guiding every single adjustment you make. Patience and persistent experimentation are your best tools when learning to master the challenging art of reflective object photography. And there's one more crucial element many photographers often overlook when working with such highly polished surfaces. Always ensure the spoon is impeccably clean, free from fingerprints, dust, or smudges, which become glaringly obvious in reflections. A microfiber cloth and a gentle cleaner are indispensable for preparing your subject, ensuring a pristine, professional final image. This meticulous preparation prevents hours of tedious post-production work, making your photographic process much more efficient and enjoyable. Capturing truly stunning images of a simple spoon truly becomes an exercise in controlled light and precise environmental management. The visual journey of light across the spoon's surface creates a mesmerizing dance, inviting the viewer into a world of artistic nuance. Understanding these nuances unlocks a powerful creative toolkit for photographers working across diverse genres and subjects. The correct use of flags, gobos, or cutters can precisely control light spill, ensuring only desired areas are illuminated. Consider using multiple smaller light sources to highlight different facets of the spoon, building up complex lighting effects. Even the color of your clothing can subtly influence reflections if you are positioned too close to the reflective surface. Learning to anticipate these subtle influences is a hallmark of truly advanced and thoughtful reflective object photography. Spoon the photograph art lies in testament to the making the photographer's ability to complex, appear manipulate light and effortless, guiding the viewer's eye without revealing the technical mastery involved.
Every successful spoon photograph is a testament to the photographer's ability to manipulate light and shadow with precision.
This detailed control allows for creating images that are not just technically sound, but also deeply artistic and expressive. These enclosed setups are perfect for achieving a clean, professional look, especially for intricate product photography with reflective items. You can even create sophisticated lighting setups using simple household items like tin foil or translucent shower curtains. This technique leverages the spoon's reflectivity to incorporate soft, blurry background elements into the foreground composition itself. Mastering these specific techniques with a spoon directly translates to confidently photographing any reflective product or challenging surface. You gain an intuitive understanding of light behavior, predicting precisely how it will interact with different materials and complex shapes. This profound knowledge empowers photographers to create professional-grade product shots, capturing every intricate detail flawlessly and beautifully. It means transforming mundane, everyday objects into captivating works of art, revealing hidden beauty through precise, deliberate lighting control. The ability to sculpt light, even with the most complex reflections, elevates your entire photographic portfolio significantly, showcasing true skill. This focused practice builds your visual literacy, sharpening your eye for exquisite composition and impactful lighting in any scenario. Ultimately, it gives you immense creative freedom, allowing you to craft the exact mood and compelling message you intend to convey. This seemingly small exercise with a humble spoon unlocks a giant leap in your overall understanding of photographic illumination principles. The humble spoon truly serves as an exceptional training ground for understanding the profound and transformative power of light in photography. If you found these lighting insights fascinating and helpful, subscribe for more incredible photography tips and advanced techniques. Hit like if you learned something new, and let me know in the comments what challenging object you want to light next.